Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lower Argyle is a small rural community located in the municipality of Argyle in Yarmouth County, Nova Scotia. Situated in the southwestern corner of the province, the community is part of a region known for its Acadian heritage, coastal landscapes, and long connection to the fishing industry. Lower Argyle offers a quiet lifestyle and reflects many of the traditions that have shaped this part of Nova Scotia for generations. The population of Lower Argyle is relatively small, with only a few hundred residents living in the community and surrounding area. Homes are spread along local roads and surrounded by forests, rivers, farmland, and small lakes.
Thank you very much.
The community is close to larger service centers such as Yarmouth, making it possible for residents to enjoy rural living while remaining connected to employment, healthcare, and shopping opportunities. The history of Lower Argyle is closely linked to both the Mi'kmaq people and the Acadian settlers who arrived in southwestern Nova Scotia during the early 1700s. Acadian families established farming and fishing communities throughout the region, taking advantage of fertile land and access to the coast. Their influence remains visible today through local traditions, family names, language, and cultural events. Following the expulsion of the Acadians in the mid-18th century, many families were forced from the region. Over time, a number of Acadian families returned and rebuilt their communities. The municipality of Argyle became one of the strongest centers of Acadian culture in Nova Scotia, and that heritage continues to play an important role in local life. Today, many residents of Lower Argyle work in industries that are important throughout Yarmouth County. Commercial fishing remains one of the largest employers in the region. Lobster fishing, seafood harvesting, seafood processing, and marine transportation support many local families. The fishing industry continues to be a major contributor to the economy of southwestern Nova Scotia. Housing in Lower Argyle is generally more affordable than in many urban centres across Canada. Average home prices in the surrounding area are often found in the range of approximately $250,000 to $350,000. Prices vary depending on factors such as property size, condition, and proximity to the waterfront. Larger homes and coastal properties typically command higher prices. Today, Lower Argyle remains a peaceful community shaped by its Acadian roots, natural surroundings, and connection to the sea. Its history, culture, and rural lifestyle continue to attract people who appreciate the traditions and landscapes of southwestern Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching!